The Geeetech A10M FDM 3D printer is an impressive machine that offers dual extruder mix-color printing, allowing for vibrant and intricate designs. With a build volume of 220 by 220 by 260 am, it provides ample space for various projects, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced users. The integrated building base ensures stability during printing, while the break resuming feature adds a layer of convenience, allowing you to continue prints after interruptions. Plus, you can snag this fantastic printer at a remarkable discount of up to 70% off by using the link in the description or comments. Overall, the A10M is a solid choice for anyone looking to elevate their 3D printing experience.